As we remember the men, as we hear the bell toll, we should grieve. But we should also not forget, to celebrate their lives as well. As the bell is in their hearts, so they are in the bell. And in the bell's tone are the voices of the men, and we should listen. Ernest M. McSorley, Master. First Mate, John H. McCarthy. Oiler, Thomas Benson. Deckhand, Bruce L. Hudson. Second Assistant Engineer, Russell G. Haskell. Cadet of the Deck, David E. Weiss.
Superior, they said, never gets up for dead when the gales come early.
Third Assistant Engineer, Oliver J. Champeau. The 30th ring, and it is for all the mariner sailors who have lost their lives on the Great Lakes.